Hello, I'm Adam Lemon on the engineering team. Today, I'm going to show you C.TI digital badges. You'll see how easy it is for educators to articulate the skills and achievements of their students, then how easy it is for students to share them and for employers to understand them. But first, I'm going to tell you about the tech that we use. It's called verifiable credentials, and it's one of the most important new technologies since the internet. It's a move away from centralized identity systems. It means users now have ownership and control of their own identity. It's exactly the same as your physical passport. You decide who it's shown to, but you keep control. Because the data is decentralized, there's nothing in a central system to be misused, sold, or stolen. It's common sense thinking that's rebuilding institutional trust, and about time too. So let's get started. Within this ecosystem, there are three core roles. The educator is the issuer, the student is the holder, and the employer is the verifier. So beginning with the educator experience, they might go ahead and define a credential. And defining a credential allows educators to really articulate the skills students have learned and the frameworks used, also helping employers understand what has been accomplished and the equivalence to their needs. So in defining a credential, you can specify a badge, the name of the credential, any relevant tags. You can also include a detailed description and link to various different resources to add useful context to the credentials. You can also specify the core content and then select the granular sharing settings that you'll support. Finally, completing your certificate design directly within the application. Once a credential is defined, it can be easily issued to recipients. You can issue one by selecting and entering in a single recipient. You can also go ahead and issue many by using an existing Excel or CSV file. Once credentials are issued, they most commonly land with recipients via email, from where they can be accessed with just a single click. And our custom design features and white labeling ensures that your brand looks great. So here you can see the custom design certificate as well as the associated badge. And it is cryptographic security that means 100% confidence in authenticity for issuers, holders, and verifiers, which is the protection that you need for your reputation. And learning pathways can help to motivate students towards their goal, and C.TI works with your pathways, or you can build new ones. So you can directly select and stack credentials to build out pathways as you wish. And for issuers, we also have several other management capabilities. For example, being able to view all of the credentials that you've issued out. You can see their status as well as take action on any as you wish. And we do offer analytics to look one layer deeper and see how your recipients are interacting with your credentials. So now to have a look at the student experience, it all generally begins with an email where they can access their credential. And you can then go ahead and also inspect the content and resources of this credential. For example, downloading an included resource, which may be to a reference framework or standard, providing that richer context to the credential. And it is from here that employers are able to clearly understand skills learned through this rich credential metadata, and also that systems can process this at machine speed. We do also offer a one-click integration with LinkedIn. So very simple and straightforward to allow recipients to add credentials to their profile, which will be immediately added to their licenses and certifications. And then this will link back out to the credential page for verification. And students also have access to web and mobile wallets in order to access all of their credentials from one place. And from here, each credential can then be shared via QR code or email. They can also be posted to LinkedIn and directly printed. So that was a brief overview of C.TI digital badges. It's quick and easy to use. It's cryptographically secure. It respects and protects the privacy of your students. It helps employers really understand the knowledge and competencies attained. It can help take you all happily into this new digital decentralized age. We'd love to meet you and talk about your specific needs. So please book in a demo today. Thank you.